Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. To begin, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Once it's open, navigate to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture or the menu icon, usually found in the top right or bottom right corner. Then, look for the three-dot menu icon next to your Add to Story or Edit Profile button. After locating the three-dot menu icon, tap on it to reveal your profile settings. From the options presented, scroll down until you find and select the profile locking option. This crucial setting is typically situated under the Privacy or More Options section, making it easy to secure your account with just a few taps. Understanding profile locking is key to your online privacy. When activated, this feature ensures that your photos and posts are visible only to your confirmed friends. Individuals who are not on your friends list will only see a very limited view of your profile. Furthermore, your full-size profile picture and cover photo will also be hidden from non-friends, offering enhanced protection. To finalize the process, simply tap the Lock Your Profile button. A confirmation message will then appear, clearly indicating that your profile is now successfully locked. Should you ever wish to revert this, you can easily unlock your profile at any time by following these exact same steps. This entire action takes only a few seconds to complete, providing immediate security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.